Hi, I have in my hand the 1 megapixel 20 meter IR dome hybrid camera. So basically, this comes with a fixed 3.6mm lens, and the reason I would call it a hybrid camera is that it'll work with a range of technologies. So it'll work with CVI, TVI, AHD, and it's backward compatible with 960H. It's very easy to maneuver between them. We're going to demonstrate that in a few moments' time. It's got great night vision on it. It's a steel metal casing on it here, and this is a good quality camera, and the picture resolution on it's super, and the price point on it's excellent as well. So I'll give you a demonstration of exactly what we get here. So this is the outer box it comes in here. It comes in a total of 4 screws and 4 plugs for mounting it. We have this information sheet here that we supply and add into all the cameras we sell. So the hybrid range is how we're standardizing our camera range. So just say we come along and buy the camera and you check and you discover that the DVR, if you haven't bought it off us, we'll say, is CVI. So what you need to do is configure the camera to work with CVI. So all you do is you push up the toggle button here, it's on the cable. Push it up, hold it up for 5 seconds, it'll be set then for TVI or CVI. Push it down for TVI, to the right it goes to AHD, and to the left it'll go down to analog, okay? And so the picture resolution when it's set in analog is lower, but it's just you'll only do this if you have an older DVR and you want to make sure it works with it. So the great thing about this then is when you're buying the camera, you know it'll work with your DVR simply because it works with everything. Okay, the picture resolution 1 megapixel. You can see it demonstrated here with the camera set up as well. There's quite a good picture resolution on it. And we have larger ones in range and things like that, but we'll say it's a safe bet, particularly if you want to have 1 megapixel and you have 1 megapixel DVR itself. If we look here, we'll say we have a total of 24 LEDs here, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to knock off the lights, and what will happen is it'll blank out for a moment, and after about 3 seconds or so it'll just come back up, and then we'll see what we have here, which is quite crisp nighttime viewing images on it as well. So come back up. If we look at the actual cables itself, it's like a traditional camera here. Again, you have a BNC connection for running the picture directly to the DVR, and you have your power input here, okay? So that's it. So you know, we're quite happy with these ones here simply because the picture quality is great, the price point is fantastic, and it has the versatility that we need here. And that's really what we're doing now, is we're not tying ourselves into any particular technology, because I think it's a mistake to do so, because there's still a lot of competing technologies out there. So have a camera that'll work with everything there. And for that reason we've gone with the Hikvision DVRs, simply because Hikvision have realized there's a lot of technologies out there, and what they've done is they've gone for DVRs that'll work with all different types of technology. So between that type of flexibility, it just means that, you know, you're future-proofing your investment, regardless of which technology is dominant in the future. What you're buying here will definitely work with it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 1 megapixel 20 meter IR dome hybrid camera.